From three-legged down dog, step the right foot forward for our warrior one. Left heel plants down, foot turns 45 degrees to the left, hips point straight to the front of the mat. Lift up through the arms, reach through the fingertips, and press evenly through the center of your front knee and the outer edge of your back knee. Engage your abs, draw your tailbone down, align the front knee over the ankle. Take a big step back, toes slightly point in, warrior two. Elevate your rib cage up, lift the arms, reach through the fingertips. Spiral your front thigh outwards and press through your back heel. Draw your tailbone down, sweep your inner pelvis in and up. From down dog, your torso will start to twist to the left and the right hand reaches for the left ankle. Look under the left armpit, draw the low ribs in, maintain the length in the spine and lift the pelvis for our PARIVRTTA, ADHO, MUKHA, SVANASANA. Bend the knees, squat back, lift the arms overhead, UTKATASANA chair. Firm the shoulder blades together, weight is distributed back in the heels, lengthen through the spine, draw the lower abs in and up. Exhale, stand back up. Lift your knee and press down with intention. Spread the toes. Open the knee like a gate and then come onto the toes of your foot as you bring the sole of the foot on the shin or the inner thigh. Engage your core. Keep your weight in the center of your foot. And extend your arms. Grow your branches. You can also look up or close the eyes to practice balance. Maybe sway the hands side to side. Bring the hands back to heart center and return your foot to the ground. And that is the end, my friends. I hope you feel grounded and sturdy in the body after trying those poses. I have a couple more videos doing yoga on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check them out if you haven't subscribed already. Go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!